Hello everyone, welcome to the next Voron 2 episode. Unfortunately, this won't be a usual episode. As I explained in a channel update video recently, I did a decent amount of progress on this and I ended up losing the footage. So I'm basically recording a summary. I'm also recording this the day this thing should be packed and shipped, so the guys will be here any minute, so I'll keep this short. So yeah, sorry about a weird episode, but there's a decent amount I can still show you. So I don't think I had the cable covers on the printer last time, so here they are mounted here. They run up here. So just a cover for these. I had to make these taller, so I did. The electronics mounts, I'm pretty sure weren't here either, so these are printed on the Voron 0. It's just basically an L-shaped bracket that mounts to the 4mm thick aluminum plate here, and the wires coming from the umbilical will run through the hole here, and the Z chain is here obviously. So I had to design this mount as well. It's VHP taped to the 4mm thick aluminum, and well, there are three heat set inserts that go to the drag chain, and that's how the mechanism works there. Inside of the printer there are a few changes as well, but sorry about the lighting, but I'll do my best to show you. See these shiny backers on the extrusions. These are a mod by Whooping Picard, I think. What these do is basically they make sure the extrusions don't bend. The thing is, steel, which the MGN9 rails are, and aluminium have different multipliers with heat, so you know they bend differently. So if you brace aluminium on one side with stainless steel, well, the other side tends to bend, and that can cause problems. I feel like I've never actually experienced that, but yeah, it doesn't hurt to have this mod. Looks cool as well in my opinion, so I installed those. Also replaced the Y drag chain holder there with the new one. I had an old ancient one that nobody seems to use, so I don't know, maybe it was a early release or beta or something, I don't know. But this looks nicer, so I replaced that. You can see the Z drag chain back there, so it's now mounted to go to the top, but otherwise it's just a standard drag chain. There's also the bed PCB back here. There we go, hopefully you can see that. And the Wagos for the bed, so that's also done. That bed PCB basically just provides a breakout for the thermistor PT100, BME680, Z limit switch, maybe something I'm forgetting as well. Oh, and a chamber thermistor as well. So that's the idea for that. Next to that, the Wagos are for the bed power and grounding, so that's also done. But yeah, sorry I lost the footage for this, because yeah, actually this is the sort of stuff that I cover in a full episode usually, but this video will probably just end up being like, I don't know, 5 minutes long or something once I edit this. So yeah, that's it for this video. As I said, this printer will be moved with me unless something comes up, which means the episodes will continue very soon. I'm recording this in early December. I don't know when I'm releasing this. I'll try to build up a buffer, but I don't know. Yeah, from now it will take probably like 2 to 3 months, maybe a little longer than that, but it will definitely return. And in the meantime, we will be setting up a new workshop while waiting for these printers and tools as well. So stay tuned for that. I'll definitely finish the top skirts. I know it's been a while. The limiting factor on that was the fact that the only printer I have currently working is the Voron 0, which can't print skirts that large. So that was the limiting factor, but yeah, I'll just get this printing running and then print it, because well, pretty much everything is assembled at this point. I just need to do the wiring and well, some calibration as well. That's basically it. So yeah, now that's it. So hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, leave a like, etc. The usual outro, and well, bye.